Welcome to our channel. Today we how to request replacement CareFirst insurance card guide step by step clearly. To request a replacement CareFirst insurance card, start by visiting the CareFirst website. Look for the member logins section on the home page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password to log in. If you don't have an account, click on register to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the member services or my account section. Find the option for Request a Replacement Card. Click on this option to proceed. You may need to verify your identity by providing some personal information. Fill out any required fields, such as your name, date of birth, and policy number. Review the information you have entered to ensure it is correct. After verifying your information, submit your request for a replacement card. You should receive a confirmation message once your request is processed. If you prefer to request a replacement by phone, call the CareFirst Member Services line. Have your member ID and personal information ready when you call. The representative will assist you in processing your request. You can also request a replacement card through the CareFirst mobile app. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the ID card section and select the option to request a replacement. Follow the prompts to confirm your request. Keep an eye on your mail for your new card, which will arrive within a few weeks. If you do not receive your card in a timely manner, contact CareFirst customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.